Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez Mamesagali Channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, na way pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit. So let's watch this. Angel Spirit, God bless, give me information po. Ano kayong sasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? There's the lovers. Oh my God. For Libra signs, may love life, no? There's something, a soul connections or deep soul connection, guys. Additional messages. And of course, there's the Ace of Pentacles. So there's a big shot or big money coming in for you, no? May malaking opportunity na nadadapo sa inyo ng yung person, partnership, no? And there's a devil. My God! My goodness. There's a negative energy of there's a toxicities or something, a black magic involved. My God. And because there's a high priestess, so there's a hidden agenda or hidden enemies. May mga bagay dito na parang may lihim na inggit, no? Or may lihim na ginagawa sa iyo tong person na to. Something, a black magic involved talaga. At the same time, about sa connection sa inyong dalawa na person mo, no? So let's see additional messages. Inggitera. Because there's a third party. It's either an ex, family, or friends. Oh my God. Or kaibigan. Or something na kapitbahay. There's a two of wands by choices. May mga bagay dito na kailangan mong alamin at tuklasin at piliin, no? Additional messages dito, there's the Sun card. No? Bibigyan ka ng pure positive outcome. Liliwanagin at uunawain lahat ng mga bagay o kaganapan sa iyo with the lovers. May mga bagay dito na parang unti-unti nyo matutuklasan sa inyong dalawa, no? Parang makikita, para maano nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng something hinala, na itong tao na to parang may agenda you know? Parang ganon. So let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles. The Page of Swords is spying and looking, watching at you, or something, get more information. No? Marami kang bagay na dapat malaman, matuklasan, alamin. Siyasatin, the Devil card is here. Represent the Emperor. So this is mature enough and of course being grounded. Or may mga bagay dito na itong tao na to is a manipulator. No? Itong tao na to with the Devil card is something, a relatives. Okay? Maaring minamanipulan niya itong person mo or something, kumbaga there's something brainwash. No? Oh my goodness. The High Priestess represent what? The justice, karma is waving. Talaga pinapakita with the Libra signs na may hustisya, mayroon something balance eh. Maaaring makokontrol mo tong emosyon na to, no? Malalaman mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong maunawaan at malaman. So there's something hidden agenda na kaya pala tong tao na to ay ganyan, ganto, no? Yung pala may lihim na something ginagawa sa inyo. So let's see what is the Three of Cups. And because there's a Knight of Cups with an offer. So, kaya pala pinapakain, pinapainom ka ng gato ganyan. Yung pala, inuunti-unting lasunin yung utak mo. The Two of Wands represent, oh my God, I think it's a friend then. No? There's a friend of yours. No? And the Death card is the ending and a new beginning. Oh, see? Kumbaga nakuha mo yung yung something na clues or something information kung paano ka makakaalis sa situation. This is the Death card. Na nabago mo yung eksena, binali mo, natapos mo, ganon. And because there's the Lovers, connected kayo na person mo, ha? Ibig sabihin, parehas kayo na person mo or there's a family. No, maaring ginagawan kayo ng pamilya mo na itong gangster na to. So, let's see what is the Lovers and the Sun card. Oh my God. represent, oh, see, I told you so. It's either a past friend or something a friend. An ex, no? Or, yun nga, most of all dito, it's an ex or something, a friend of yours or relatives, okay? And of course, there's the 8 of Wands for fast communication, fast movement. So, pagdating sa finances, it's a good part, ha? Magiging maganda takbo ng eksena nyo. So, let's see what is the Devil and the Emperor. Oh my goodness, manipulator or something. Kumbaga, bossy-bossy siya, ha? And there's the Queen of Swords. See, there's a bigger picture. Kumbaga, nagets mo na kagad kung sino yun eh. Kasi there's a something connection with the spiritual. No? Kumbaga, kaya pala may mga bagay na gusto niyang gawin ko ganyan. Bumili ako ng ganito. Kaya pala, ganon. Kumbaga, meron ka na kagad clues eh, na, siya nga yun, ganon. Kumbaga, kaya pala niya ako binibigyan ng mga ganong, akala ko charms ba yun pala, yun pala, ginagawa niya yun para set ng something spy, no? Para itong bagay na to, itong ano na to, para mabilis siya makakapasok sa hanay mo, sa bahay nyo, sa ganon. This is something spiritual. So, let's see what is the High Priestess and the Justice. See, and of course, there's the 4 of Wands for celebration. Don't you worry. There's a something celebration. Matutupad na. At maaring something na parang nagkaroon ng hustisya dahil sa nangyari sa'yo. Nakapag-set ka rin ng boundaries at the same time. The 3 of Cups and of course, the Knight of Cups represent what? So, there's the Knight of Cups with the wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad na. Mga pangarap, mga kagustuhan. No, maaring something offer na para matupad na yung mga pangarap niya. And then, of course, the 2 of Wands and of course, the Death card represent the 7 of Swords. See, ay mag-ingat ka. So, hindi pa tapos ang eksena. There's a sneakiness or something cheating lying on you. So, something na parang, kumbaga kukuha pa to ng impormasyon, no? Mag-aalam-alam pa to, no? Ganon. So, let's see what is the outcome. Pagdating sa outcome naman, no? There's the 5 of Swords. Mag-ingat ka, there's a self-sabotage. Baka ikaw yung makagawa ng isang bagay na pagsisisihan mo at the end of the time. So, there's the Hierophant. So, this is a lesson learned. So, matuto ka na. Huwag ka na makapag-communicate. Huwag ka na magbigay ng impormasyon. Uy, day, ikaw yung makakapagbigay ng impormasyon, mag-ingat ka. And of course, there is the Chariot. So, there's an action. So, see, there's a 2 joining forces na parang papaalalahanan ka ng ating divine. Ng ating mga gabay na, kumalma ka. Huwag kang ganyan. Mag-ingat ka. Additional messages about sa career. About sa career, so there's the 6 of Pentacles. So there's a give and receiving something by the universe. No? Kumbaga pagdating sa career mo, magtutuloy-tuloy na raw, yung gaganda na eksena. There's collaborations, no? Something na magiging maganda na takbo ng eksena. There's something unity, teamwork, or either collaborations, no? With your client, customers, ganyan. Kumbaga dadami na, dadaloy ng swerte, dadaloy ng magagandang pera, gano'n, kumbaga, lalago na or maaaring lalakas ng yung business or negosyo o hanap buhay mo. Additional messages for the Knight of Wands, so there's a resilience. So, kailangan maging tahimik ka pa rin, ha? Loki-loki ka muna. Hindi ka pwedeng, bulgaran. Kailangan tago-tago muna dito. Char. Additional messages about sa health. About sa love life. Sorry. There's the Moon card. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands for slow and steady. So, there's a dream coming true. Pagdating sa love life, kumbaga, unti-unti nyo na tinutupad yung mga pangarap nyo. So, baga, nandun na kayo sa nasa process of progress na kayo ng pag-abot sa mga pangarap nyo. Okay, let's see what is additional messages about sa health. Sa health naman tayo, guys. So, there's the 6 of Swords. Transition, see? Makakabangon na kayo sa mga nararamdaman nyo. And there's the Fool card. Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, oh my God! Talaga sinubok ang pananampalataya at tiwala nyo dito. Dahil dyan, diba? Ito na. Uulanin na kayo ng magandang mensahe, magandang balita, magandang eksena, ganon. What is the magical fairy messages? Represent what? Love life! Love life and exist. So, talagang pinapakita sa'yo dito na the basis of your questions involve your romantic life, which is now changing for the better. Talagang, di ba, pinapaganda ng takbo ng eksena, relasyon, career, ganon. There's something flower. So, si healing, guys. So, something na parang, kumbaga, dahil sa kagalingan, unti-unti na mamumukadkad. Di ba, ang dapat ay mamukadkad na. Mamumulaklak na. So, let's see. No, hinarangan yung pagyabong mo eh. Nandun ka na kumbaga, there's a road to success, pero eventually, parang binlock niya yun para, diba, para hindi mo maisakatuparan yung mga pangarap mo. Eventually, natanggal natin yung blockages or something na nagbibigay ng negatibo or either na, kumbaga, natanggal mo na or natanggal na ng mga taong tumulong sa'yo or either kailangan tanggalin, no? Some of you guys. Additional messages for synchronicities. Oh, see? May unos. Storm. 'Di ba? May susubukin, bayuhin kayo ng eksena na kaganapan na to. There's a something finder the loss of things. So, kumaga hinahanap mo yung mga bagay na nawawala, no? Parang may mga bagay na parang nawala, parang kumaga something reminiscence, parang may mga bagay pinanghihinayangan ka pero kailangan mo masanay, ganun talaga. No? So, let's see what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent attraction, hot. Attracted ka, guys. And there's an apology. Mag-ingat ka, may manghihingi ng tawad from the past. Ibang way yan, ha, para magkakaroon ng connection na, ay, sis, hi, sis, oy, Maris, pasensya ka na, gato, ganyan, ngayon ako nakapag-connect. Yung pala, yung pasensya na, it's not about dun sa ano na yun. Kumbaga, there's a something connections. Additional messages. See, separation, longing. So, hindi porket separation is about sa love life. Separation with the friends, related sa'yo, relatives, no, kamag-anak, kakilala, kaibigan, kailangan mo magpakalayo-layo. Additional messages for Archangel Michael. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And there is an Archangel Michael to help you from your situation, no? Kung humingi ka ng ating sa gabay sa ating Archangel Michael para makalis ka sa sitwasyon mo. And positive thought create a positive result. Always think positive, ha? Tina-target ka nito sa isipan mo kasi masyado kang paranoid or something overthinking. So, doon kanya tinarget. Kasi para mag-worries ka, maparanoid ka, diba, mga craziness ka, babaliw ka doon sa eksena na yon. For the chakra messages, expansion. Papalawakin ng iyong kaalaman. Papalawakin ng iyong karanasan at mga nararamdaman. Expect. And of course, finances. Completion. See? Huwag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat, ha? May eksena to, ti. Mag-ingat ka. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Pagdating sa Romance Angels, represent what? Free yourself. So, it's time to take back controlling your life, no? And of course, some of you naman, so something codependence, no? Something addiction or affecting your romantic life. So, some of you, kumbaga, meron naman ditong energy na parang itong tao na to parang obsessed sa'yo. Itong tao na to parang ang laki ng inggit sa'yo, no? Parang itong tao na to ay masasapawan ka, ganon. Additional energy represent what? Itong tao na to ay nasasapawan siya pala, sorry. And there's an anxiety. So, kaya ka nagkakaroon ng sleeplessness and overthinking, guys. Oh my God, kagagawa niya yan. And there's the thinking man, no? Kumbaga, itong person na to, maaring, kumbaga, mahal na mahal ka. Maaring yung asawa mo, no? Maaring yung jowa mo. And there's a door to the personal healing and happiness, no? Magbubukas ang pintuan para sa kagalingan at kaligayahan. So, let's see what is additional messages for Moonology. Oh, it's time to release negativity. Kailangan mo na pakawalan yung mga negatibo. Emotional running high. So, it's either a tears of joy, no? Dahil para nakalaya ka na sa mga, di ba, bangungutang nakaraan. Ganon. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Unlikely, may mga bagay na hindi mo nagugustuhan or may mga bagay na hindi nila nagugustuhan. Big happy changes. May magandang pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo. And there is a recovery. See, I told you, makaka-recover ka na. The end of the time, my goodness. Additional messages for angel spirit guides. I told you, truth reveal. Malalaman mo talaga ang katotohanan. There's a something relationship. See, may connected talaga sa'yo and health. And there's a clarity and cleanse na kailangan mo mag-cleansing dito. Tinarget ka sa health mo. Additional messages. And there's a failure na may mga bagay ang pagkakamali ka sa buhay mo na maaring it's an opportunity to learn. Kailangan mo matuto, kailangan mong or matauhan or something na parang yung pagkakamali na yan, parang paalala lang sa natin Panginoon na kaya nagkamali yan or kaya nangyaring ganyan kasi may mga bagay na matututunan ka dyan. And there's a happiness, no? At the end of the time, magiging masaya ka, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. A heart desire, kung anong gusto ng puso mo, sundin mo. And there's a children's na maaring pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan ng inyong mga anak. And there's a time to decide, no? Kailangan mo mag-decision ngayon na, now na. May mga bagay na kailangan mong pagdesisyonan, yung sinasabi ng puso't isip mo, gawin mo. Yung talagang passion mo, gawin mo. Additional messages. So there is a new earth by, it's happening, keep holding the vision. Nangyayari na, tama talaga yung hinala mo, die. And there is water your garden. No, there is a rest. So, kailangan mo talaga ng pahinga, body cares, tenderness. Ganon. Kailangan mo talaga ng pahinga dito, Masyado ka nag-over fatigue din. Ay kang Rafael messages. Consult with the nutritionist. So, kailangan mo rin magpakonsulta sa nutritionist mo. Baka tumataba ka o pumapayat ka. It's not normal. There's a relationship, no? Pati sa relasyon. Baka kailangan nyo ng time to each other. Ganon. So, or maaaring kumaga, nakakatulong yung person mo for healing energy. Na parang nawawala yung stress mo or something iniisip mo. Pagkasama mo siya. And of course, Jesus' loving quote said, take their no thought for the morrow shall take thought for things itself. So, see, kumbaga hayaan mo ang bukas ang magbigay sa iyo ng hudyat na magbabago na at magkakaroon ng bagong simula. No, wag mong pangunahan, wag mong kumbaga agarin or magmadali sa sitwasyon. No, parang kinabukasan lang yan, daraan talaga yung araw na darating yung umaga at hapon at gabi bago ulit suminag ang liwanag. No, sa mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo, parang pinapakita na kumbaga there's a takes time. No, kailangan ng oras at panahon para humilom. No, yung mga bagay na nangyari sa from the past. May mga bagay dyan na pagdadaanan mo yung mga bagay na kailangan mo talagang pagdaanan. Bago ulit magkaroon ng panibagong eksena. No, bago mo ulit sumilang ang pag-asa. Ganon. So, let's see what is the angel's number. For the angel's number, represent what? Angel's number represent 333 for social skills. So, there's a hope. Pag-asa nga. Talaga sinasabi dito, there's a something hope. The problems you have today will eventually disappear. Oh my God. Your guardian angels encourage you to maintain a positive outlook on a life since your luck may be about to change. It is a time to use your captivating energy and inspirational personality. Don't let your ego get the best of you. So, see, alisin mo daw yung pride, ego, no, drama sa buhay mo. Kasi yan ang magbibigay ng negatibo, kaya hindi ka makalis sa sitwasyon. No, wag ka mag-alala, nandito ng sinasabing pag-asa at makakabangon ka na. This is a very excitement situation, adventurous, at may mga bagay na malalaman ka. At may mga bagay dito, lahat ng mga problema mo ay maaaring lisanin na at mawala. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Self-love. So, kailangan mo mahalin ang sarili mo ngayon. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Today, I love myself fully. I accept myself exactly as I am. I am able to recognize my own divinity and to appreciate to the purity of my soul. I appreciate and take time to care of myself. I enjoy myself. I nourish myself. I am kind of myself. I am grateful for who I am. So, pagtanggap, no? May mga bagay na tatanggapin mo yung mga pagkakamali, karanasan, at unti-unting pagsinay, no? Pagkita ng liwanag na matatagpuan mo at makikita mo na unti-unti mo na natatanggap, no? Yung mga taong minahal mo ay may lihim na agenda sa'yo, no? Kumbaga itong tao na to, iba ang turing mo, kapatid ka, mag-anak, no? Manamahal, eventually, may mga tao talagang tatraidor behind your back. Ganun talaga. Tanggapin, mahalin mo, proteksyonan ng sarili mo dahil hindi mo alam kung sino ang totoong kalaban mo. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kanino energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo. Na just at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!